Hello gentlemen, if you have a Mercedes E350 and sometimes it starts shaking while you're driving and you don't know what it is and how to fix it, then I will explain everything to you and teach you how to fix it easily at home. Also in this video I will show where the spark plugs are hidden and how to change the coil. First we need to connect to the computer to be sure exactly what the problem is. In my case the car shakes because the fifth cylinder failed. The cylinder failed because the coil stopped working. So we need to get to the spark plugs. They are hidden deep. To get to the left side of the engine, we need to remove the air vent. To get to the right side, you need to remove the computer. Don't be scared, it's very easy. So unscrew those 3 bolts. Then disconnect this sensor. Then release the air box and remove the clamp. Here you go. Now you can see where the coils are hidden, and under them are the spark plugs. Yes, the clamp is disposable, but I managed to reuse it. We take out the box. Now we have open access to the left side of the engine, on which the first, second and third cylinders are located. My problem was in the 5th cylinder. I pull out the computer that stands on these horns that enter these holes. And now I'm getting to the 5th cylinder, which is on the left side of the engine. 4th, 5th and 6th. Yes, sometimes you can get hurt. Okay, disconnect the computer for more access to the coil. You need to disconnect this part of the frame. It is held on by 1 bolt. I disconnect the electrical cable and pull the coil out of the cylinder. That's it. Okay, I don't need this part anymore. So here is my new coil. It's about $110 each. There are spark plugs in the hole under the coil. They would also be good to change. They need a thin key head. Okay, put the coil back in the cylinder and try to push it as far as you can. Then tighten the bolts back. When the bolts are tightened, connect the electrical cable. And most importantly, do not forget to install this part of the frame back. Remember which side? I'm showing you now. When this part is installed, insert the computer back with these horns into these holes. Connect all sensors and put everything back. So I started the car and the engine is now working perfectly. Let's go check the engine errors. As we can see, the errors are gone. But let's do a global scan of the car. And just 0 errors on the entire car. The check engine is completely disappeared. I've driven so many miles since this repair and the car drives perfect. This case is closed.